Still placing random stop losses and getting stopped out before the real move happens? The ATR Stop Loss Indicator MT4 helps you place smarter stop losses based on real market volatility instead of guesswork. This strategy uses the average true range, or ATR, to calculate dynamic stop loss levels that adjust automatically to market conditions. When volatility increases, the stop loss becomes wider. When the market is calm, the stop loss becomes tighter. This helps traders avoid getting stopped out by normal price fluctuations while still controlling risk. Buy setup. First, identify a bullish trend using market structure or a moving average. Wait for a buy signal, bullish breakout, or strong bullish candle confirmation. Before entering, check the ATR Stop Loss Indicator and locate the suggested stop loss level below price. Enter the buy trade only after the candle closes bullish. Place your stop loss at the ATR level shown by the indicator instead of using a fixed pip distance. As price moves higher, trail your stop loss along the ATR line to protect profits. Take profit near the next resistance zone, or allow the ATR trailing stop to manage the exit automatically. Sell setup. Look for a bearish trend with lower highs and lower lows. Wait for bearish confirmation like a strong bearish candle or support break. The ATR Stop Loss Indicator will calculate a stop loss level above price based on volatility. Enter the sell trade after candle confirmation. Place your stop loss at the ATR level above the market. As the trade moves lower, continue trailing the stop loss with the ATR line to lock in profits. Take profit near major support zones or let the trailing ATR stop close the trade naturally. Most traders fail because their stop losses are too tight. ATR-based stop losses adapt to market volatility and help reduce emotional exits during normal price swings. The ATR Stop Loss Indicator, MT4, helps traders manage risk smarter, stay in winning trades longer, and avoid random stop-outs caused by volatility. Visit ForexMT4Indicators.com to download the free ATR Stop Loss Indicator templates and more powerful Forex trading tools.